Hangzhou Ruide Machinery Co. Ltd. is a leading enterprise specializing in the manufacture and service of ultra-high-pressure hydraulic tools. We have long been committed to providing customers with high-quality and innovative hydraulic machinery solutions. Our full-range services cover design, production, maintenance, and technical support. With years of technological accumulation and in-depth industry experience, we boast outstanding technical advantages in hydraulic system design, precision manufacturing, and equipment maintenance. Our company has assembled a high-caliber and experienced professional team, including senior engineers, technical experts, and management personnel. We ensure every link from R&D to delivery of products meets top-tier standards. Against the upgrading of market and customer demands, we keep increasing investment in research and development and continuously launch competitive new products and solutions. We actively adapt to market changes and evolving customer requirements. The company strictly implements a total quality management system, ensuring every product meets and even exceeds domestic and international standards as well as customer expectations. It provides a solid guarantee for delivering value to customers. Whether it is standard hydraulic tools or customized large non-standard equipment, all have one wide recognition from customers for their excellent reliability, high performance, and durability. Our product line includes hydraulic pumps, hydraulic wrenches, hydraulic tensioners, hydraulic jacks, and other series of tools. They are widely used in wind power, petroleum, chemical engineering, construction, electric power, and other key fields. We attach great importance to after-sales service and have established a rapid response mechanism and continuous technical support system. We drive the future with technology and build trust with professionalism. Join hands with us to reach new heights in hydraulic technology. Hangzhou Ruide Machinery Co. Limited looks forward to cooperating with you.